original TAMPOPRINT.
Hello, and welcome to our new video about the MONOLIGHT Space, a versatile standalone laser system with a spacious work area for marking and engraving various components. The MONOLIGHT Space laser system is available in two configurations, either with a rotary table or an electric lifting door. Additionally, you can choose between different laser sources, such as fiber laser, CO2 laser, and UV laser in various power levels. This makes the MONOLIGHT Space highly flexible and perfectly adaptable to your specific product requirements. Thanks to its programmable height adjustment, laser marking on components of different heights is effortlessly possible. Control is conveniently managed via the pre-installed TAMPOPRINT Laser Suite software, ensuring user-friendly and efficient operation. The software also enables the creation of various 1D and 2D codes. Would you like to learn more about the MONOLIGHT Space laser system? We are happy to assist you.
Technologies for your future.